BlockMiner is a new app that I've been using, and after breaking down the stats, it actually has some of the better APRs on the market while not being too high to not completely untrust. And this is an early review, meaning I've only been using it for a little while. And it looks a lot like the blue Bitcoin mining app or the green BTC coin app. And what I mean by that, and people who've been watching this channel for a little while know that these apps can change. And in terms of like the blue app, it's been worse as time goes on. But the opposite could be said for the green BTC coin app. It has only had positive updates and positive rewards, just freebies and stuff like that. And while both of those apps are still paying out and the blue app has been out for well over a year now, I just wanted to start off giving you guys that warning. And I ran some tests on this with a fresh account. I actually invested a little bit, which I'll go over in a second. But if you do all 30 ads, you'll receive just under 7 sats a day. Which on its face, 7 sats for 30 ads doesn't sound great. But it comes out to 41.5 sats per day for 1 terahash per second. And if you come down here, let me scroll down a little bit, you can see like I bought that first one and it says 100 gigahash per second. And I actually get a buy one, get one for the first time you buy this. And at 200 gigahash per second, I'm getting about 9 sats per day. But the thing I did like about this app is that it does start with a $5 option, which is, very low risk. If you just want to try it out, I'm getting a little bit of sats per day, and I'm going to be doing a withdrawal very soon as well. The APR is over 50% at Bitcoin's current price, and what I think I'm going to do is wait a little while, use this app, make some withdrawals, and once I've had full trust into it, go over each miner option, go over the different price points and what the APRs are at different Bitcoin prices. But I do have just under 100 sats, and if you come to balance and you go to redeem, it's going to be the Lightning Network, just like the blue app, the blue Bitcoin mining app, and the green BTC coin mining app. And you can see right now, the only wallet it allows you to use is the Speed wallet. And if you click increase cash limit, you'll see that your withdrawal limit increases to 4,500 sats, up from 2,500. But to get this, you would need to invest a total of $500, so that's completely up to you, obviously. But anyway, I have 99 sats, so let's do a quick tutorial into a Speed wallet. So in your Speed wallet, you're going to click receive, and then under amount, I put 99 sats, and then I click submit. And then next, I copy my address and head back to Block Mining Miner. I put in 0.000000099 for 99 sats, and I pasted my address under invoice. Next, I click redeem now. And while it wasn't an instant withdrawal like BTC coin or the blue Bitcoin miner app, I did receive my sats in about 6 hours. And you can see in the redeem record that my withdrawal was a success. If you go to the Me tab on the bottom right, it does say that it will allow you to invite friends at some point, but we're not there yet. So as soon as they make like a major update on this app, add some features, or just enough time has passed to where I can start trusting this, I'll make that full video for you all, so look for that. But like I said before, this is an early review on this app. We don't really have any kind of trust on it, so just know you are taking a risk if you do invest. You can always watch the ads for some free sats. And as I say on most of my videos, that this is not financial advice. These videos are for informational and educational purposes only. And please, please just do not invest more than you can afford to lose. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. I do my best to find the best Bitcoin cloud mining apps and break them down as well as I can. And if you want these videos a little bit earlier, I have memberships for $1 a month. It means the world to me. I don't take any sponsorships from these cloud mining apps to keep these as unbiased as possible. But as always, I appreciate you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.